Hello everyone, welcome to EduSpark Academy. If you are a computer science student and your plan is attend lectures, submit assignments and pass the exams and magically get a high paying IT job, then I have some news for you. That plan usually works only in the dreams. In today's video, I will tell you the most important skills every CSE student should learn in 2026 to get a good IT job. Let's start with the first skill number 1, programming. Every CSE student should know at least one strong programming languages like Java, Python or C++. Think about it like this. If you go to a chef interview and say, I know how to hold a spoon, but I don't know how to cook, will they hire you? Of course not. In the same way, if you are a computer science student but don't know programming, companies will not take you seriously. So choose one language and practice it regularly. Now let's talk about the second skill number 2, data structures and algorithms. This is the skill that companies use to test your problem solving ability in the interviews. Topics like arrays, stacks, queues, then linked list and sorting algorithms are very common in coding interviews. Yes, I know these topics can look confusing at first, but remember, every expert programmer was once confused by arrays too. Practice slowly and consistently. Now let's move to the third skill. Skill number 3, database knowledge. Most applications store data, so every developer should know how database works. You should learn SQL and database tools like MySQL, because imagine building an application but having nowhere to store the data. That's like buying groceries but having no refrigerator at home. Now let's talk about the fourth skill number 4, web development. Every CSE student should know the basic of web development. Start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. With these skills, you can build real websites and the project. And companies always prefer students who have practical projects instead of only theoretical knowledge. Now the fifth skill is the skill number 5, Git and the GitHub. Git helps the developers manage and track changes in their code, and GitHub helps you to store your projects online and collaborate with other developers. You can think of GitHub as Instagram for developers, but instead of posting selfies, you post your coding projects. Now let's talk about the another important skill number 6, problem solving. Practice coding problems on platforms like LeetCode or the HackerRank, because in interviews companies don't ask, did you watch the coding tutorials? They ask, can you solve this problem? And the more problems you solve, the better developer you become. Finally, the last but very important skill number 7, communication skill. This is the very important skills. Even if you are a great programmer, you must be able to explain your ideas clearly to your team or the manager. Good communication helps during interviews, teamwork and the career growth. So these were the most important skill every CSE student should learn in 2026. If you start working on these skills today, you will already be ahead of many students. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to EduSpark Academy. And remember, coding may look difficult in the beginning, but with the practice, it becomes easier.